To place an Etoro withdrawal, start by logging into your Etoro account using your username and password. Once you have access to your account, navigate to the menu and click on the Withdraw Funds option. You will be required to fill out a withdrawal form, which includes selecting the payment method you used to deposit funds into your account. Etoro offers various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers, so choose the one that is most convenient for you. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring that it is within the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits set by Etoro. The minimum withdrawal amount is typically $25, although this may vary depending on your account type and the payment method you are using. After filling out the withdrawal form, review the details carefully to ensure that all the information is accurate and complete. This includes your name, address, and payment method details. Once you have confirmed that all the information is correct, submit the withdrawal request. Etoro will then process your withdrawal, which may take several business days to complete, depending on the payment method you have chosen. It is essential to note that Etoro may charge withdrawal fees, which will be deducted from the amount you are withdrawing. The fee amount varies depending on the payment method and your account type, so it is crucial to check the Etoro website for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal fees. To avoid any delays or complications with your withdrawal, ensure that your account is verified and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the withdrawal amount. Additionally, be aware of any market hours or trading restrictions that may affect the processing of your withdrawal. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can successfully place an Etoro withdrawal and access your funds quickly and efficiently.